Are you a homeowner in Nashville facing furnace issues? Look no further. At FurnaceRepairs, we specialize in high-quality furnace repair services tailored just for you. Our licensed and insured team has over 20 years of experience in the HVAC industry. We are dedicated to providing reliable, professional, and efficient service to ensure your complete satisfaction. Whether it's a minor fix or a significant repair, we're here to tackle it all with transparent quotes and affordable prices. You can trust us to get the job done right the first time, leaving your home warm and comfortable all year round. Don't let furnace troubles disrupt your comfort. Call FurnaceRepairs of Nashville today at 954-759-4895 for a free quote and experience the difference of top-notch service. Stay cozy with FurnaceRepairs.